everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. But before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking that red subscribe button, or you can click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell, that will notify you every time I upload a video. My tip today, you're gonna love. If you are new to stamping or Stampin' Up! In general, you're gonna love today's tip. This tip was actually shared to me by my upline, and I wanted to share it with you. So we're gonna flip the camera, we're gonna get started. Now, before we get started on the video today, all the supplies that I use, you can find it in the description below. If you click on that, that will take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's tip. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about our stamp pads. Now, if you are new to stamping or Stampin' Up! In general, when you receive your first stamp pad, it can be a little scary. I know for me, when I started many years ago and I received my ink pads, I was like, oh no, what do I do now? Now, these are the old ink pads and these are the newer ink pads. Now, you can see the old ink pads had these three little dots, and you would use your thumb or your finger and you would hit those dots, and that will pop the ink pad open. Okay, but with the newer ink pads, they didn't have these dots, and we got told we had to open it like that. Now, I found every time I did that, I would get ink on my fingers, on my hands. So I've got a great tip to share with you today, and you're going to love it. And it's going to save you from getting ink on your finger like I just did. But you're going to take the new stamp pads and you're just going to press it down here, and that's going to pop it open. How cool, you guys. So the old ones, again, had those three little balls, and that way you knew you could hit there and it would pop open. But the new ones don't have that. So all you're going to do, you're going to take your two little thumbs and you are just going to pop it in the middle, and that's going to pop it open for you. How cool is that, you guys? And that's going to allow you to open up your ink pad super easy. So I hope you found today's tip useful. This tip was shared to me from my upline, and I wanted everybody to know about this. This is a great tip, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day yesterday, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Take care.